Okay, in today's video we're going to look at a setup that I have in Google, and let's see, this is the daily chart of Google, and I have both time and price parameters along with a zigzag or two-step pattern. So the zone that I've been looking at for support comes in at 1196 to 1205 area. It includes multiple symmetrical projections plus, let's see, a 786 retracement of one swing, 1272 of another. Anyway, we have a nice cluster of price support. Now, I believe that only a short-term chart, or at least the aggressive swing trade trigger chart, has fired off a buy entry, because here on the 15-minute, you did have the moving average crossover to the upside, and in the process, you also took out a prior swing high. So it's okay to be long and have a stop underneath this last low, or underneath the low end of the zone, depending on what kind of strategy you're using. And if this low is any good, okay, so the risk is under here, but the potential reward is up here. Now that doesn't mean just because we have a target that it's definitely going to get there, but that is typically what we shoot for when we see a zigzag pattern like this. Okay, even if you only get a corrective rally, it would at least be looking for something around the 1258 area on the upside. All right, what else? You also have to take this work from one decision to the next, because the lower time frame chart will often give you information that will help you manage a trade. So for example, if you're looking at a 30-minute chart in Google, you'll see that even though we do have good support here, this is a very important hurdle that needs to be cleared if we are indeed going to continue to rally from that area. So one of the things you can do when you run into resistance like this, okay, because we really need to clear this 1228.5 area, but when you do, you can say, well, I know there's support here, but here's resistance, and if we can't clear that resistance, it could start to roll. So what should you do? Well, you probably just at least want to get to a break-even stop or better, okay, because we have seen a nice rally so far, but it's not enough to really suggest that this is a major low just yet. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that, and see if we can push through this resistance and ultimately maybe meet that 1272 target. When am I wrong? Well, if it breaks either this low or if it breaks underneath the zone.